The infinitesimal, the infinite, and the finite, right? That's what those symbols represent. I'm curious
Yes,
about that too.
correct. You got it, Free.
How do you use concepts to replace the equal sign? Yeah.
So I guess I can elaborate by saying this. So what I discovered was that equality is actually it's a useful axiom, but it's not the most robust axiom. So if equality is not the most robust axiom, then I went on a journey to figure out what axiom can we use that encompass essentially all aspects of reality. And in infinity, I discovered infinity was more robust than equality, because equality is actually not a natural phenomenon. And when I did some research on equality, equality was first introduced by Robert Ricord in the 15th century, and it's with this abstraction that Newton actually was able to derive his force mass equivalence equations, and also which resulted in Einstein's energy mass speed of light equivalence equations. And I was thinking, if equality isn't fundamental, what can we discover that was more general than equality, and that infinity seemed more reasonable to solve that problem. So I said, okay, if we're to get rid of equality, what does that actually mean? That means that we must get rid of numbers also, or we must get rid of the abstraction of energy and mass, because the abstractions of energy and mass, they're consistent to an extent, but once we get to really extreme aspects of the universe, they don't make any sense, as we know with Einstein's equations.
Sorry to interrupt you there, but so if you're going to say you're going to get rid of the abstractions of energy and mass, then when you say you derive the equation E equals mc squared, what do the E and the M represent in that equation that you arrive at?
So energy becomes triangle, equality becomes infinity, and then mass times speed of light squared becomes circle.
Okay.